I'm going to adjust the time on my BMW X3. It says 3:12 right now. It is 4:12. Go to your dial. This is a 2017. Make this so you can see it. It's on the left. Go to the right. Second to the right. My vehicle. Put all these in here. Go to the iDrive settings. Go down to date and time. Go down to 4:13 p.m. Now it's set. Move your thing to the left. See, try to do it all in one frame. Yeah. See how you can turn left and right. And the selects. Anyways, it is now 4:13. Please like and subscribe. Hope you enjoyed the video tutorial how to set your time. Thanks.